The features of the new spaces I've been most excited. One is the health science wing that we have, and I'm also excited about our space here in the library where there are multiple study rooms in different areas for our students to be in these spaces, studying, group work, whatever it is that they're working on. In our computer lab, which is really nice to have so that when we test our kids, we can bring multiple kids into a space at one time and not have to utilize the classroom.
I wouldn't say there's a specific place I prefer over the other. I think it's just like generally the feeling I get whenever I step into them. Like I get a sense that I feel more pride in my school. When I walk around the library or when I go to the lecture halls, I feel this is really a place I want to be in. Like being here makes me feel that I could get to somewhere bigger.
Building that school pride, building that school culture, having that space that we can highlight what the students do. We have awesome things going on in the classrooms down there in the health science wing. Like you see all the kids interacting with these dummies and practicing like giving splints. You have big areas where kids can receive tutoring.
I would say it's the library. It's very open and you can really study. The library that we used to have was more of a small, compact space, but in the new library, I have the space to let my mind roam. I have gotten A's in classes that I never thought I would because they give me the opportunity to actually have a calm mind and focus on the job that I need to get done.
It's just very rewarding to walk in to see every day at work. That whole structure of the building is, it's beautiful, very modernized. And then also, as you walk in and then to the left, you have the health science department. And I feel like it could just open up a lot of different avenues for our students.
I can tell you from students, the first day that they walked into the new space, they were in awe. Same thing for the teachers. It's just beautiful outside and inside when you walk into the common area and the common spaces.
My first reaction to seeing the spaces was, I don't know, it was disbelief. I looked around and I couldn't believe it. It really made me feel this is a place where I really wanted to be, a place that would kind of set the mood for what I wanted to do in my future endeavors.
My first reaction was, well, it's about time, because AISD is such a big district. And when you go around and you see other facilities, it's mind-blowing to see that we've waited this long, but at the same time, we're very grateful for the new modernization and all the new buildings that are going up for our students and staff.
I was like, this is way more than I expected. I genuinely did not know how to react because I was just like, this is not the LBJ that I thought that I had. It gave me more hope that I would improve with the school. I think my reaction was just like, this is gonna help me better too.
I mean, it was definitely a wow moment. Just see this new space and how open it was and how cool it was. And honestly, like for me, to see the kids' reactions, right? And they're just, they come in and they're like, their mouths are just dropped because it's such an improvement upon what was there and how well it was done and how much it was fixed up.
I had my school community in one word. They are persistent, because when our wider community and our school community ask for things, then they're persistent about whether we get those things or not. Just having that drive, that innate drive that you have to say these are the things that we want and these are the things that we want to see, it lives in this building. Because while I'm in this space, I'm gonna make sure our kids and our community are exposed to all of those things that they wish to see in this building.
The way that I would describe LBJ in one word would probably have to be dreamers. I feel we're all dreamers in some way. Some people here are they're dreaming of going to the league. Some people here are dreaming of being engineers, and others, they're dreaming to be nurses. But the ultimate goal in all that is just kind of setting out a better life for ourselves.
I think it's hard to say one word to represent LBJ. With that word community, it is tight-knit. There are people that have a lot of pride and care a lot about what happens at this school. And I think that's one thing that this new space does. It's just a very positive place for our students, for our staff, for our community to gather in and meet in and have that space.